everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a short summary recap for our beginners solo ballroom or international cha-cha, not club style, practice routine number 5, and this is from the tutorial in the video library dated the 5th of April 2023. You're looking for the ballroom cha-cha beginners playlist, and it's the 5th of April 23. Very short summary recap. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. New Yorkers. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Third New Yorker or a spot turn. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Hand to hand. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, and now 3 cha-chas forwards. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. I'm almost in the wall. Rock forwards. 2, 3. Come back. 4 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 1. Finish the hand to hand. Face the front. Rock it into the corners. Check steps. 2, 3. Cha cha cha. 2, 3. Cha cha cha. 2, 3. Cha cha cha. And then a little improvised variation on the there and back. I'm going to close in, transfer the weight, run back, rock, replace, and a locking cha-cha step forwards. Let's do that again. I'm here after the 3 corner checks. 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. That's going on the end. I'm going to dance the whole thing through just with the count. 1, 2, 3. Cha cha cha. 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 Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. 2, 3. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. 2, 3. 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 Cha cha cha. There we go, guys. Like I said, very short summary recap. You can look for the full 40-minute tutorial in the website. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and the notification bell. And if you're already in my video library, then thank you so much for being there and supporting me. And I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon.